Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a whole slew of ideas that you can use to treat your teachers or even maybe some volunteers that have gone above and beyond this year. Things that you can do to make Teacher Appreciation and Staff Appreciation Week extra special. Teachers really need to be showered with love. They go above and beyond for our kids, and we want to show them just how much we appreciate them. I'm also going to drop the link to the blog post in the video description so that you can go ahead and snag any of these ideas that you want to get. They're available in my shop. This one's actually really cute to start off with. It is the best teacher ever little box, and what is nice about this tag is that it really goes with pretty much anything that you would want to kind of top the gift off with. It doesn't matter that you're not spending a fortune on the teacher gifts. It's kind of the presentation that can really elevate the gift. And I should have also mentioned that these are good for either for you to give individually from your family personally to the teacher, or for your PTO to be giving to the entire staff. I also really like giving really functional gifts. So this next one is just a little sweet little something. It's lip balm. Good for guy teachers, good for girl teachers, women, men, across the board. Who does not like moisturized lips? So the little "You're the Balm" tag kind of really sets it off. Easy peasy. There's even space on the tag for you to write who it's from or just to customize it a little bit further. Like this next idea is for someone who's really gone above and beyond. And again, you could always pair this bag of Lifesavers with a gift card or another gift, but I just love how well the colors coordinate. This one's really cute too. This little tag is "We're over the rainbow, thankful for you." And since I think Skittles' tagline is "Taste the rainbow," kind of goes really well. This squirrel theme tag is really fun too. We'd be nuts to miss a chance to thank you. Just cracks me up. I don't know why. That's a cute little idea. And the next idea I have for you is just a box of Reese's Pieces, and the tag reads, "Without your help, we would have fallen to pieces." I kind of like puns. I don't know if you've picked up on that quite yet. Who wouldn't like a nice bottle of lemonade? And it absolutely coordinates super well. All right, so here's the next idea. It's really cute. You can also attach this to a Starbucks gift card. What if instead of giving them a mug, you gave them something to put in the mug? Thank you for being a terrific teacher. So this next example, I had to find a packaged cookie. So not like a beautiful decorated cookie. And if I was going to be giving a cookie as a gift, I probably would go ahead and get sugar cookies that are iced with royal icing that are beautiful. I'm sure you could find a local bakery in your area that could even do your school's mascot. I know this year especially, a lot of schools are requesting that things be individually packaged. So this One Smart Cookie tag is a nice little topper, and you see it looks really nice with even just a minimal amount of ribbon. Do not ever forget how much we appreciate you. I think it's so cute. Everybody likes a little sweet treat every once in a while, so you could thank them with a little bag of treats and top it off with this little cute printable tag. Back to the donuts. I should have done these back to back, but I just grabbed them randomly. I would gift a prettier donut. I don't know that I do this, but it really fits on the packaging nicely. And so this thanks a whole bunch, and I'm just going to bring it closer to the screen so that you can see his little smile. I just think that's really cute. And the lighting in here is really washing the colors out, but it's very vibrant in person. Does not translate as well on the camera, but let me take that up really close. See, just so cute. This next example is a really cute little option that's very cost effective too, because you can get a big package of popcorn and then attach this cute little tag. And see, just like imagine this without the tag. It would look very generic and like, thanks for the bag of popcorn. But this looks like you've taken some time just to package it up really nicely and add this little, I just had some tulle ribbon. I thought it looked really, really cute. Another great gift idea I have for you is a journal or a notebook, because teachers are always taking notes on things. I've mixed the nice optimism notebook with a sassy little tag, because I think this one is better for school volunteers or someone that you know that won't get offended by the little poop emoji. I just think it's hilarious because, as volunteers, we have to put up with a lot of crap, and teachers have to put up with a lot of crap. So this might not be one that I give to every staff member because they might not appreciate it. But like, if this is coming from you individually, or especially for volunteers, like, I think it's hilarious. Another clever gift idea that I've given in the past are these little ID holders. And this tag is more elevated, I would say. It's more refined, unless there's no cartoony, and I just love the ribbon with it. I think it comes off really nicely, but you've seen these. You can pick these up wherever. I think I got this one at TJ Maxx for just a couple bucks. And the nice thing is that you can make it a very lovely gift by putting a gift card inside of it, because it's like the natural little container for that. I also like to give practical gifts, like things that are not just going to collect dust on the teacher's desk, not things that they are just going to wish like, why, thanks so much for yet another mug. A mug filled with something. Candy usually seems to be the go-to gift, but teachers really have enough mugs, I just got to say. So especially this year, like giving a nice little bottle of hand sanitizer is a really cute idea. And again, if it was just the hand sanitizer, like boring, boo. But you add a cute little tag. This is another packaging idea. How cute is this? I couldn't believe that I had a blue box already. So I think I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to slip inside, but how cute would this be to pop in each teacher's box? I do have a couple weird gift idea suggestions. They're weird but good. And my brother got me one of these head massagers a couple years ago for Christmas. And I was like, that is so weird. But then I tried it and it really works. It feels really good. And so I got a whole bunch of these a couple years ago and gave them to the teachers. And I actually did put a note on them and said, yeah, this is a weird gift. Like, I just acknowledged it. And I said, you're going to think this is the weirdest thing ever, but just trust me, try it. And the teachers wrote back and they said, that was really weird, but we did try it and we loved it. So thank you. So sometimes weird, but good. Another packaging idea. And I love this tag. You are very appreciated. Thanks for all you do. I just think it's so cute. And then here it's just in a triangle box. All of these ideas are in the blog post that is linked below. And I hope that this inspires you, gives you some great ideas about how you can take the ordinary and really elevate it with like a fun tag. So I think that it doesn't take a lot to show your teachers how much you care. You can do really simple things like, who would have thought, like, how this bag of Lifesavers, really cute. And I think if someone gave this to me, I'd be like, really thoughtful, because that took some time to come up with a tag that matches and then the cute little ribbon. But let me tell you, it took me like a minute and a half maybe to put this sucker together, because I was like, ooh, that matches really well. And I would encourage you to think outside the box when it comes to teacher gifting and think about how you can just elevate it so simply with these cute printable tags. So that is it for today. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know, because I would love to bring more gift ideas to you like this or other things that are similar, but I need to hear from you. So go ahead and leave me a comment below. And if you haven't done this yet, please do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and then also hit the little bell so that you can get notifications when I release a new video. So until next time, you take care, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.